Early bird, early bird. Likes to wake up early. She stands as tall as she can. Takes a deep breath of fresh morning air, and then early bird gets going. Across the grass. Through the flowers. Flower bed. Under the spider web. Up the trails. Up the path. Around the corners. And over the cat. Tweet, tweet. Finally, the early bird reaches the garden where she finds the early worm. Early bird is hungry. After her long journey, so she lays the early worm on top of a big, fat, juicy strawberry. And together they share and